Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Charlene Necesito, 39 years old, married. I have 2 children. I'm a high school graduate.
Why do you want to go in Hong Kong, Miss Shirley? Why do you want to go in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my family.
How are you, Miss Shirley?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Did you work abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Did you work as a domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
6 members, ma'am.
6 members. How many children?
4,
How old they were?
3 months old, ma'am. 2, 4, and 6 ages.
Okay, so you know how to take care of newborn baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly tell us how?
By feeding them, taking a bath, change diaper, cooking.
Okay, so do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino dish, ma'am.
Okay, describe your personal character. Are you a hard worker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what else?
Trustworthy,
Okay.
loyal,
Okay.
friendly.
Can you sing children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, how can you say that you will be a good domestic helper? Will you follow the rules and regulation of your employer?
Yes, ma'am. I will follow all the rules and regulations to my employer.
And will you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
And I promise to finish my contract.
Okay, thank you.